Let's make a bottle. So while modeling, I may be pressing some keys or buttons, and you would see them over here. And when I click on the mouse, as you can see over here, the mouse, I'm left clicking, I'm right clicking. You will see it over there, and then the middle mouse button. So there's the middle. I'm pressing the middle mouse button. So you can see over there it's pressed. When I press a key as well, you can see X over there. So please look at this section while I model. I may not mention the keys or the buttons I press while I do it. So in case you see some magic, please reference the screencast keys. So the first thing to do is to remove this cube. A bottle is in a cylinder format, shape, so we'll add a shape, a cylinder here. So Shift A will bring this menu and then we choose cylinder. This cylinder has a lot of segments, so reduce it to like 12. 12 is fine, nice. So you can go to the front view by pressing the X over here and then go into edit mode and then press S to scale it down. So S, and then we can scale it up or down. But we want it to be scaled on just the X and Y axis. So you press Shift Z and then you can scale it down like this. So scale it to any size you want. So it's going to look like this. And then go to the front view by pressing the X, go into a wireframe mode, drag here, press G, and you can move it down, and press Z to lock it. So you cannot send it left and right. So press Z, send it somewhere down here, nice. And then press E to extrude. So press E, it extrudes, and send it up a little, and nice. You click to confirm, and then we press S to scale. So let's scale it there, about there, nice. And then press E again to extrude and bring it up. Nice, so we have the top part of our bottle done. We can go back to solid mode by clicking here, and we can see our bottle is coming up nice. Now press on this edge, select mode, this button, and then Alt click here. So let me zoom in. You zoom in by scrolling. Alt click here, and you select all the edges down here and press Ctrl B or Command B to bevel. So we are beveling it so you can get some a smooth edge down there. So you see how it looks nice. Over here we can remove this cover. So we go to face select, we click here and then press X and delete the face. So you see the top there is gone, nice. Let's go back to front view, and we are going to go back to object mode and we are going to add a cup, the bottle's cup. So Shift A, cylinder, nice. So this cylinder is huge, it covers the original bottle. So let's go into wireframe mode, go into edit mode and press S to scale down a little. Go back to object mode, press G, and we can move it up, but it can move in any direction, so we lock it to the Z axis by pressing Z. Scroll to zoom. Let's go back to edit mode, press S and scale it up a bit so that the cover like overlaps the top a little, nice. So we scale it, and then we can scale it on the Z axis. So scale by pressing S and then Z by looking to the Z axis and reduce the size of the cup, nice. So let's go back to object mode, press G to move it and Z to lock it on the Z axis and move it down a little, great. So we go back to solid mode and we have our nice bottle there. We can go to edit mode and choose this edges. I'm going to go into edge select, choose this edges, and then press Command B to bevel it. So we can have another bevel here. So when we go back to object mode, it looks something like this. Now your challenge is to complete this bottle and then challenge your friends to try it as well. So that is our exercise for today. Quick and easy. Tomorrow we try something else. If you want to share this image, what you can do is hide. You click on this to hide the grid and choose and click on this the camera toggle. Scroll in. Zoom in by scrolling, right? And then you can use your snipping tool. You choose a rectangle mode, click on new, and then you can drag here. Nice. So now we have it here. You can save to the desktop and then share that image on Twitter or any place. Nice. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.